Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naya. So today I'm gonna show you the hair review for CoCo black hair. And girl, let me tell you, this hair I'm in love with. It's so soft. First of all, I had it for like more than a month because I got it in December, and it came fast. It was like 4 days shipping, so it wasn't bad. And I spent $230 for it. Mind you, this is a 360 wig, okay? So you could do little up style like ponytail or whatever. You can do like half up half down style, girl, like this. Girl, the only thing is I haven't straightened it yet, and I had it for like, yeah, like a month, more than a month. I had it for like more than a month. I haven't straightened it yet, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks straightened. It was $230 and I bought this. It's like 18 inches. It's really cute, y'all. I think y'all will like it. I really do. This here is what, girl, what? Girl, what? This here is hot, okay? This here is nice. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks straight. It's still kind of wet right now. It came quick in shipping. It was like 4 days. It's not bad. I had it for more than a month, and like every other week I would wash it and then I would like reinstall it, because you know I gotta go into a new week fresh. But let me go straighten it and I'll be right. So I'm back, y'all. I just straightened it and look how it came out. Nice, and it feels nice. Impressed. Money well spent, I'm gonna tell you that much. This hair is mad soft, like, and I straightened it so it looks a little longer now. But girl, this is money well spent. I love how it looks straightened. I never straightened it because I was just lazy to straighten it. But y'all, this hair was a good buy, and it did not take long to ship out to me, and it was $230. But it's a 360 lace frontal, and it came like pre-plucked already. So, but girl, this is, I love it. Love it, y'all. Y'all need to go buy this weave, okay? I need to go buy this wig. I definitely recommend. Ooh, and I will definitely be buying another one, okay guys? All right, that's it. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and go buy you a 360 wig, okay, from CoCo black hair.